Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Engliopedia, your learning partner. Today we are going to learn word meanings from the lesson Women's Role in Pakistan Movement. Let's begin. Fluent, ravon, saf, speeches, takreerein, elected, mintakhab kiya gaya, Constituent Assembly, Ain Saz Assembly, Mass Movement, Awami Tahreek, Intelligence Report, Khafiya Itla, Annual Session, Salana Ajlas, Attended, Shirkat ki, Burqa Clad, Burqa Apush, Touring, Safar Karna, Dora Karna, Subcommittee, Zili Committee, Accompanied, Saat Jana, President, Sadr, Valiant, Bahadur, Heroism, Bahadri, Secretariat, Sarkari Daftar, Removed, Hataya, Union Jack, Bartanui Jhanda, Hoisted, Lehraya, Transformed, Badal Diya, Effective, Muassir, Karamad, Organization, Tanzim, Activists, Karkin, Sargarm Log, Parliamentarians, Assembly ke Arkan, Turning Back, Piche Hatna. Since then, Tabse. No turning back. Wapsi nahi. Rakna nahi. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Engliopedia, your guide to easy learning.